BitConnect was one of the most infamous cryptocurrency Ponzi schemes. It amassed $2.4 billion from unsuspecting investors in less than 2 years. The scam was revealed in January 2018, and its collapse turned the company and its most famous promoter, Carlos Matos, into internet memes. As we mark 6 years since BitConnect's downfall, let's take a closer look at what the scam entailed, what happened to its key promoters, and why the founder remains unpunished. The BitConnect scam. BitConnect was launched in late 2016 but only gained significant traction in 2017 when Bitcoin's value soared from under $1,000 to nearly $20,000. The scam operated by convincing people to buy BitConnect tokens with Bitcoin. These tokens were then reinvested with BitConnect, which claimed to use a sophisticated trading bot to guarantee daily returns of up to 1%. Several red flags were present from the start, such as, number 1, investors exchanged valuable Bitcoin for BitConnect tokens, which the company controlled, allowing them to manipulate the token's price. Number 2, BitConnect's trading bot was a fabrication to justify the promised returns, masking the reality that new investors' money was used to pay returns to earlier investors, a classic Ponzi scheme. Number 3, they promised 1% daily return was an impossibility in legitimate financial markets, as such compounding interest would quickly make investors multi-millionaires, which no real investment could sustain. Promoters and their fate. Trayvon James. Trayvon James promoted BitConnect heavily on YouTube, boasting about the returns and referral commissions. After BitConnect's collapse, James admitted to being questioned by the FBI and SEC. He claimed to have lost over 100 Bitcoin in a hack and could not settle with the SEC. Despite his legal troubles, James continues to make crypto-related videos and promote dubious projects. Craig Grant. Craig Grant was another prominent BitConnect promoter who claimed his Bitcoin was stolen in a SIM card hack after the collapse. Facing a $1.5 million lawsuit from the SEC, Grant fled to Jamaica. Despite the SEC's attempts to serve him, he continues to live a comfortable life, posting about it on social media. His longtime girlfriend's contradictory statements to the SEC raise further suspicions about his activities. Carlos Matos. Carlos Matos became a meme for his enthusiastic promotion of BitConnect at a conference. After the collapse, he admitted to getting his initial investment out before the crash. Matos later attempted to capitalize on his meme status by launching a failed NFT project. Despite his notoriety, he hasn't faced significant legal consequences and continues to live in New York City. Glenn Arcaro. Glenn Arcaro, who led BitConnect's U.S. operations, was sentenced to 38 months in prison and forfeited $24 million to the SEC. His cooperation helped identify the alleged founder, Satish Kumbhani, who has since fled India and remains at large. The founder and unresolved justice Satish Kumbhani, believed to be the mastermind behind BitConnect, was indicted in 2021 but disappeared after the charges became public. His current whereabouts are unknown, and he remains a fugitive. The SEC continues to pursue those at the top of the BitConnect pyramid, but many lower-level promoters have evaded significant consequences. Can you think of any other prominent Ponzi scheme? Let us know in the comments below. If you find the video valuable, like it and subscribe to our channel for more updates.